Hey loves, welcome back. Thank you for clicking. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lily. If you're a returning subscriber, hey darling, thank you for coming back. So today we are going on a road trip. Yay! So guys, finally, after how many time of trying my hand to see if I could go to Cape Coast, I am doing this finally. Finally, so yesterday I booked a ticket ahead of today, and my boss time the schedule for 7 o'clock. So I got here early enough, like 6:30. I was already here waiting. So finally, I'm excited to be doing this. This is long overdue, given the fact that as a tourist, the first place you may want to visit in Ghana is Cape Coast, because there are a lot of history and a lot of tourist attraction centers around there. So I have got requests from subscribers to go, but guys, traveling is not easy. It is expensive. As a matter of fact, every content creator you see enjoys traveling, they love it, but we as small creatives, it is super difficult to go on tours because it is expensive, especially now with the inflation rates, global inflation rate. It is not easy to travel, but then we have to do the job, we have to keep it going. So I am glad to finally be on this road trip today, guys, and let's go straight to Cape Coast and discover all that we should. I don't know what to expect, as a matter of fact. I know that every part of Ghana is beautiful and always captivating, but this particular one, I don't know. I don't know. I think my expectations are high. They're too high. I'm expecting too much because I've heard so much about Cape Coast. As a matter of fact, all the places I've been around the country, I have always, I have never envisioned them that much. I mean, like, I've never expected, anything. But this particular one, I am expecting too much, as a matter of fact. So if I get here and my expectations are not met, I will not be blaming this place. I will blame myself because I've heard too much about so much about Cape Coast. So I'm glad to finally be on the road, guys. I almost messed up everything. I slept all through because the vehicles were super comfortable. So I overslept. And given the fact that I woke up 4 o'clock in the morning to get ready, get my kids ready for school, get myself ready. So I found myself sleeping almost all through. But thank God I had a chewing gum in my handbag. So I quickly brought it out and start chewing. That kept me awake to be able to do this. So finally, I'm seeing, I'm getting it's giving. Okay, it's giving. So I am expecting to see a lot of old houses, old structures. This is one of the oldest towns in Africa, one of those old towns in Ghana. So I'm not expecting, well, let's go and see what we can get. But in this particular video, I want to apologize. I could not get the front row seat, and I didn't want the vehicle to. I think I later regret why I bought that ticket. I shouldn't have been in a rush, so that I can get a front row seat to be able to do a proper road video. But don't worry, when I'm coming back to Accra to make up for this, I'm going to do another road trip from Cape Coast to Accra. That is a promise. Okay? So, but meanwhile, please give this one a like. Okay? It was not even easy filming it. Give it a like. Everything is given gradually: the road, the landscaping, the Ghana as usual, the greenish environment. But one thing I discovered in this part is that the there's a lot of forest. Like, the forests here are heavy, very green, dark green, and I don't know. And I'm seeing a lot of plantains on my way coming here. That one thing that I've seen around the central region of Ghana, plantain upon plantains. They have plantains almost every part of Ghana that I go to because it's their main foods here. One of their main foods is plantain. But this part is different. All the central parts I've been to is different. It has in excess of what I've been seeing in other regions. Okay, it's too early to give a thought on that, right? Because we need to get there, ask questions and stuff like that. So I've never been here before. Like I said, I made arrangement with Albert. Albert was introduced to me by Cicely. Cicely actually played a big role in this trip, even with the fact that she's gone back. She's no longer in Ghana. She stayed there and played a big role in making it happen. Like she supported and make it happen. So she had already hooked me up with someone that is coming to get me and help me move around. A tour guide for free, a guy who is from here who's going to be taking us around, and you shall meet him in my next video. So he's coming to pick me up from the bus station to my hotel. And of course, as always, I'm going to give you guys a room tour. Always is my tradition here to give you guys a room tour, except if I don't put up in a hotel. I had to stay in somebody's house. I would like to respect the house, their privacy. But this one, it's a hotel, so yeah. After a while, about 3 hours on the road, and in case you want to know how much I paid from my own part of Accra to this place, I mean to Cape Coast, I paid 95 cedis, and then 5 cedis for my luggage. Let's say a total of $100. That was not what I expected. I expected to pay less than that, but it's okay. Inflation rates all over the world, so yeah, you make it difficult to travel. Like I said, that's just transportation to get to the bus station. So okay, let's see what happens. So if you have my Momo number and you have been trying to send me money, this is the perfect time. I am telling you the truth, so I don't get stranded here. I don't get stranded here. So because I joined a vehicle that is going to Takrady, so there I'm stopping over here at Cape Coast. Just few minutes of waiting, Albert came. He did not keep me waiting. He came, got me, and then we drove straight to the hotel where I'm going to be staying. So what I've been asking him is, I'm still trying to see if I love Cape Coast that much to want to move to and live here. So I was asking him the cost of living here, like houses. The price he told me was really is still unbelievable, but we're going to get to that in my next video. I'm going to ask him, I'm going to interview him to tell us more about Cape Coast, because he is born, raised, he's originally from here. So who is in better position to take us around if not someone that was born here? So this is my room, okay? Let's do a little room tour. This is my work section or station. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So where the hotel that was supposed to be paid for, like it was supposed to be the one I was supposed to put in at, by the time we sent money for bookings, the whole place had been booked. So no space at that one, so he had to make an alternative one. Here happens to be that one, but hey, I'm staying here for just some time, so it's okay. I'll manage it. It's not like I love it, but it's okay. I'll manage it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to take you guys outside a bit, not to show too much, because hey, this world now, So outside of the hotel, the guest house, sorry, this is not a hotel, this is a guest house. But what I love about it is that it's really quiet, really, really quiet. There are no music playing around. I hate when I lodge in a hotel and there are music playing around. It just pissed me off. This one is calm, very, very quiet, and the ACs are working, no light out. Cool for now. So it looks green, and I love, I love nature. So yeah, I just want to step out and look for food to eat, anything. Okay. So I was able to find corn, and I was able to find some wache.
But then I want to eat the corn
coconut.
first, okay?
So I didn't like the way it was looking, so I didn't show it. Thank you guys for watching this one. Stay tuned. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.